Hey everybody, it's Nick with HaulerJunkRemoval. So, just want to say how important it is to keep customers happy and having repeat clientele all the time in this business. So, last week, we've gotten calls from all our customers, all our repeats, like 2 a day. Repeats just calling us up, hey, we got some trash, come get it, blah, blah, blah. They don't even ask how much it is. They just want to know, when can you get it done and how fast you can be here. Because they love our service. So we're super stoked on that because we know we're giving them a great price. There goes stress-free junk removal, just running down the road. They're stressing. And we give them a great price. We show up on time. And we get the job done. We go above and beyond. So keep your customers happy. Give them good pricing. And they're going to call you back all the time. Because the people who call you with junk, they always have junk. They're always going to have more junk. As long as there's a Costco in the world, companies have a bunch of boxes left over, and they need us to go pick up all their cardboard boxes and styrofoam, we go pick it up. Just like today, we had a box job from repeat customer. All they had was a whole bunch of boxes. Not even a bunch. They're in the back of the truck. Like, I don't know, 15 big boxes, broke them down, flattened them out. And we charge them. Super easy. It takes about 15 minutes. Throw them in the truck. They're gone. And we're going to go recycle it tomorrow. Recycler's not open today. It's Sunday. And then the next customer we have right now, he's a repeat. So today is Sunday. We have 2 repeat customers. And this gentleman we're going to in Carlsbad, I guarantee he has a bunch of boxes. And he does like sports stuff, so he's gonna have a bunch of sports gear, a bunch of stuff we could probably resell, get rid of. And yeah, it's super easy. It's gonna take us about 10 minutes to get there. It's right up and over the hill. And then 10 minutes to load it up, and 10 minutes to get home. So let's call it 45 minutes. Half an hour to 45 minutes. We'll be done. I guarantee we're going to be making some money. So keep your customers happy, and you're going to always have business. And keep posting on social media to get all that organic traffic for your SEOs. So if you need anything hauled, give us a holler. HaulerJunkRemoval.com. Call us up, 760-331-3289. Or just Google us on North County. Go check out our new website. It's pretty badass. 27 pages of fun-filled trash removal treasures. So give us a holler anytime. Same day, next day service. Guaranteed.